Welcome back to our channel, Pet Chameleon Care. Today, we're going to discuss an essential topic for all chameleon owners: how to tell if your beloved pet has a respiratory infection. Let's jump right in. Common signs of a respiratory infection. Let's look at the common signs that might indicate your chameleon has a respiratory infection. Labored breathing. Watch closely for any unusual breathing patterns in your chameleon. If you notice your chameleon gasping for air or breathing heavily, it could be a sign of a respiratory issue. Normal chameleons should breathe quietly and smoothly, without any visible effort. Mouth breathing. As obligate nasal breathers, chameleons primarily breathe through their nostrils. If your chameleon is regularly opening its mouth to breathe, this is a cause for concern and warrants immediate attention. Wheezing or whistling sounds. Listen carefully while your chameleon breathes. Any wheezing or whistling noises could indicate airway constriction or mucus blockage, both of which are associated with respiratory infections. See the Chameleon Care Guide for a detailed explanation of all you need to know about this. I put the official website below in the video description. Excessive mucus. Check around your chameleon's nostrils and mouth for an excessive buildup of mucus. Healthy chameleons will have minimal mucus production, but if you notice a thick or constant discharge, it might be linked to a respiratory problem. Discharge from eyes or nose. Any unusual discharge from your chameleon's eyes or nose should not be ignored. Clear or colored discharge could be a sign of infection or inflammation. Lethargy. Respiratory infections can sap your chameleon's energy, making them appear lethargic or less active than usual. If your chameleon seems uninterested in its surroundings or spends more time resting than usual, it could be due to an underlying health issue. Remember, these signs may not always be definitive proof of a respiratory infection, as some symptoms could overlap with other health conditions. However, if you notice a combination of these symptoms or if your chameleon's behavior deviates from its usual patterns, it's crucial to take prompt action. Prevention tips. Proper chameleon habitat. Maintaining an optimal chameleon habitat is essential to prevent respiratory infections. Ensure your enclosure has proper ventilation, appropriate temperature and humidity levels. Environmental factors. Environmental factors can contribute to respiratory infections. Avoid direct exposure to drafts or cold temperatures, and keep the enclosure clean and free from any irritants. Veterinary checkup. If you notice any of these signs, don't hesitate to take your chameleon to an experienced reptile veterinarian. Early detection and proper treatment are crucial for a successful recovery. Feel free to download our ebook on chameleon care. It will save you hours and hours of frustrating research and will also eliminate the worries and stress that come with reading something online and not knowing whether to trust it or not. It will also make sure that you do not make any mistakes or overlook important facts that could lead to suffering and even death for your pet chameleons. I put the official website below in the video description. Thanks for watching.